What? I can't believe I forgot this week's tip. But first, coffee. Hello everyone, what's good? Welcome to the third episode of our tips of the week, or how-tos, or whatever you want to call them. Thought we would share a little bit about something that we love. If you're doing projects or looking for some piece of quick, cheap furniture or some cabinets or whatever, we like to go to a place called Restore. If you're not familiar with what Restore is, it's a retail store that Habitat for Humanity runs in order to raise money to continue building homes for those who are in need. We like to go there for all kinds of odds and ends. If I need faceplates for electrical outlets, I can get them there super cheap. If I need shelving for closets, if I need some cabinets for the shop, if I just need to see if they have some wood. We've gotten flooring for a couple of our rooms in the house. Actually, the table behind me, I took the legs off of a table that was at Restore, took the legs, brought them home, made a tabletop for my wife, and put the legs on them. When we redid our kitchen, I took a kitchen island that they had, I refinished it, and put a maple top on it that fit the space that we were working in. I can't express enough to you how much we've been able to save by going to Restore and getting whatever it is that we need. It is an absolutely wonderful place. One of the things that I love that we picked up there is this leather couch. I walked into the store, I lift up the cushion, and I was like, oh, what brand is that? Googled it. Turns out to be a $3,500 couch on sale for $120. Yeah. That's crazy. I love it. Beautiful couch. Robbie loves to go with me to Restore. Problem is that every time we go, he feels like we need to buy something. However, that kid can find a treasure, no matter what.
I want one of these. Daddy says, no, we already have set one of these. That's true, but I really just want to get something.
He's a little obsessed with chairs, though.
I found a chair from 1906 or something like that. It's actually pretty good to use and it's sustainable. The chair was made in Arch Street, Philadelphia. I know it's from 1906 because there's a little thing about this big, this thick. They screwed it onto the back. Doesn't really show, but it says 1906. It's pretty cool.
We might have too many chairs from there, but it's fun. And some of them we've gotten for free, some of them we paid like $10 for. It's a gold mine, folks. In our area, we've got two different ones. They're pretty much all over. Some might go by a different name. When we were in Chicago visiting some family, we found a place called Reuse It, similar to Restore. I don't believe it had the affiliation with Habitat for Humanity, but the place was unbelievable. They had architectural salvage in there, appliances. When I talked to the lady who ran the place, she said that because it was such an affluent area, those folks are taking their appliances out of their homes within a year or two. So these are brand new Gen Air appliances, you know, folks like you and me can pick up for a couple $100. Not a big deal. When you look at some of the other things that they have around the place, I mean, they're like brand new sets of cabinets. They just didn't fly anymore for them, I guess. So hey, your loss is my gain. I'll take care of that. Well, folks, I hope you really enjoyed this week's tip. And if you like these tips, please let us know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you soon, folks. I love me some coffee.